we at, son?
Keeping it real, 10,000 feet up
That's right.
on the Rockies.
Look at this shit.
Do this shit. Let me do a move for Garand, yo. Gonna hit up that eagle right there, son.
Is there one right now?
No, look at him fly over there.
Oh shit. I don't know if I got it.
You got it?
I'm focusing on it, but I don't know if I can.
Oh, dude. Hit up some of those mountains over there.
Zoom in on this. Oh shit, okay, I let go of it. So make sure that record. Oh, it's still recording, man.
Bro, this shit is on.
No, I mean without pressing, yeah. See it's counting?
I'm putting on my guys. What's up, niggas?
Chilling, bro.
I'm rich, bitch. Pace, get him pace. Get pace.
Yeah, I think you press it one more time.
And then it's just rolling?
And then it stops.